walking down the causeway to the entrance of Angkor Wat. It's a short distance. This causeway here was under construction for the last 2-3 years, something like that, and has just recently, within the last week, come back to being open for people to enter Angkor Wat from here, rather than the floating bridge over there, which is now only an exit. So this is basically, well, except for the rear entrance, this is the west entrance, and the east is entered, is the basically the back door, but this is the front entrance. Has been, I assume, since the very beginning. And, alright, so we'll do a slow around here. It's a very large area. Construction is constant. And in a way I could say that construction has been ongoing for the last 2,000 years. And there's definitely been a lot of construction in the last 20 or more years that I've been coming here. Actually, the first time I entered Cambodia was 45 years ago, during the war between the Vietnamese, Khmer Rouge, and several other political factions. So right now I'm just I'm not going to enter right now. I'm going to go back to the entrance where I left my bicycle, because I did not bring a lock with me today. Alright, we got to see, okay, there's a lot of the local people, the Khmer, they dress up for family portraits, individual portraits, whatever, in sort of traditional clothing. Some costumes that are not quite so traditional, but yeah, they're close enough. And as you can see from this video, there are quite a few photographers, and this is not exactly an example of a busy day. This is a fairly slow day, but there are always people coming in here, and I will come back in the next couple of days and try and make a better video here. Probably on a Sunday maybe is the best day for a lot of interesting costumes and such. Let's see. We will assume that my bicycle is still here. Yeah, there it is. We'll just walk this out to my bicycle. I'm also sort of testing the sound here, because I'm speaking fairly quietly, but I'd like it to actually be good enough, since I am only going to be here for another month and a half. Then I'll be gone for a while, back to Thailand. Alright. Okay, so over and out.